Hi there and thanks for joining me. Today I want to talk about generator and welder packages. Specifically we're looking at the GT generators and the Strata welders. Both have been around for a long time, both are known for their reliability, backup and support. Let's start by looking at the GT25000 running the AdvanceMig Strata 400C. This is ideal for field-based contractors who need a high output setup. It's portable and comes in at a fraction of the price of purpose-made engine-driven welders. Before I go any further, let's take a look at the two machines. The GT25000 is electric start and has 18,000 watts max output. You can access this through either a 32 amp 3-phase output, or it also has two 32 amp single-phase outputs or a single 15 amp output. The dimensions are 1 meter long, 700 wide by about 1150 high. It's around 250 kgs empty and it's a twin cylinder petrol powered iron engine. The Strata AdvanceMig400C, as the name implies, it's 400 amps. It's a MIG, arc and Lift TIG. The compact design means that we have the wire feed inside the power source. Unlike other units, it has a separate power source with a wire feeder on top. The advantage of this is we can easily pick it up, put it on the back of the ute and take it to site. Often contractors need the ability to use arc air gouging. This process uses an electric arc and high pressure air to melt or blow away metal. So today I set up the Strata and I turned it onto arc mode up to full power at 400 amps. I was running an 8mm gouging rod. I didn't have any 6mm rods at the time and it would have been interesting to try that. However, the 8mm worked fine. I was cutting a path around 30mm wide by about 10mm deep. If we think about how this setup would run with MIG wire, let's think around amps. So 1.2 flux core generally runs around 160 to 300 amps, whereas 1.6 flux core is generally around 220 to 360 amps. So again, doing our gouging, we know this worked at 400 amps, so the 1.2 and 1.6 flux core will easily work in this setup. So if this is a little bit too big for you, the next step down from that is the GT15000 and the 315C Strata. Now the GT15000 has around 11,000 watts output and the Strata 315 will easily burn 1.2 flux core all day. So in talking to local contractors who have this setup, I'm told that they can run a 4.8mm gouging rod and for them that was more than enough. So the next setup to look at is the GT10000 and the Strata 255C. This is ideal for people who only need single phase. This has been very popular with contractors all around the country and again proven very, very reliable. If you're only needing to run some solid wire, or you can run 1.2 flux core but not at the capacity of the 315 or 400C, then this is your machine. So to summarise, the GT25000 and the Strata 400C is ideal for high output. It'll do 6 or maybe 8mm rods on the gouging side and easy do 1.2 and 1.6 flux core. Stepping down from there, we have the GT15000 and the 315C, which is capable of 4.8mm gouging and again will easily run 1.2 flux core all day. For people needing to run some solid wire like 0.9 on a single phase high output setup, the GT10000 and the Strata 255C are a fantastic combination. If you need accessories to go with any of these packages, make contact, we're happy to sort it out for you and we can mix and match to find out what's right for you. Thanks for watching.